My dear civil service aspirants, let us try to discuss certain questions that may be asked in the mains examination. Let us be very brief in addressing these issues. The topic is food crisis and organic farming in Sri Lanka. That means, what is the logical relationship between the present food crisis and the food insecurity and organic farming that is implemented in Sri Lanka? Why organic farming in Sri Lanka resulted in food crisis and insecurity? In fact, Sri Lanka was declared as upper middle income country by the World Bank in 2019. But subsequently in later stages, due to certain policies that were adopted by Sri Lankan government, there was a shortage of foodstuffs. Presently, Sri Lanka is facing food insecurity, food crisis. And you can see long queues before supermarkets and malls. And what would be the reason for this food scarcity, food shortage, and insecurity in Sri Lanka? Majority of the scientists and economists they believed that the sudden shift to organic farming by Sri Lankan government is the major culprit in food scarcity that is now hanging over the heads of Sri Lankan citizens. There are umpteen reasons for the present food crisis in Sri Lanka, and adoption of organic farming is projected as the major culprit in this scenario. Sri Lanka shifted to organic farming in the year 2019, of course. At later stages, it has resulted in the food crisis. The probable reasons for this are deficiency of infrastructural facilities for organic farming, because organic farming requires much infrastructure and much technology. Poor market for organic products, high cost of organic products. Many deadlocks are there in the supply chain of these organic products. Farmers are not properly trained in organic farming. Poor resistance of organic crops to pests. And the transition from chemical farming to organic farming should involve many transitions and the transfer of technology. But in Sri Lanka, it was implemented without any transition phase and without any training to the farmers. Crop loss in organic farming is normally more, and in Sri Lanka, it is more than 50%. Lack of minimum support to prices to organic products. This is another reason why the Sri Lankan farmers have become reluctant to cultivate these organic crops. And staple food in Sri Lanka is paddy, and paddy cultivation in Sri Lanka is far below the world average. And organic farming could not address this particular issue, and this has led to the scarcity in the production of paddy. And there is a ban on imports because of COVID pandemic breakup, and this has also resulted in food scarcity. Organic farming alone should not be blamed for the present food crisis, of course, in Sri Lanka. Ban on imports due to pandemic breakdown might have aggravated this situation. And according to some economists, of course, let us be very optimistic. According to some economists, the present food crisis in Sri Lanka is only temporary, and time will resolve this issue. Thank you very much.